The printer goes blur. Wow, super cringe, but anyways, let's get right in today's topic, guys. Welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic. You guys already know we are going to be talking about blur. Looking at the price of blur right now, it is currently trading at $1.06. It's up 4.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also up about 1.7% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at the overall rank for the token, it is currently ranked at that top 119 spot on its way to the top 100 spot. So that's definitely something nice to point out. The market cap is currently sitting at $410.4 million and the 24-hour trading volume almost the same as its market valuation. So right away we know a lot of interest is coming in this token, and it's obviously no secret right now because you guys can see it is trending at that top 2 right now. A lot of people want to know about Blur. A lot of people want their hands on it. So what's going on? What are some price predictions? That's what we're going to get into in today's topic. If you guys like these kind of videos, as I've mentioned, do not forget to smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and now let's get right into it. Before I pull out the charts for you guys, wanted to share this with you guys if you have not already seen this. Blur.io, they came out on Twitter and kind of told the overall viewers and investors how you can be eligible for the season 2 drop. So it says 300 million plus Blur will be distributed to the community in season 2. What's the secret to maximizing rewards? Loyalty. Users with 100% loyalty have the highest chances of mythical care packages, which are worth 100x uncommon care packages. Here are 3 ways to maximize your loyalty. I'm not going to go through the entire thread. We'll just look at 1 or 2 options. It says list through Blur. So this is about NFTs. If you guys don't know, Blur is an NFT marketplace, so it's referring to that. Whenever you list, make sure to list using Blur. You can use our advanced listing tools to list anywhere, everywhere in one go. But in season 2, there's only one way to maintain 100% loyalty. In season 2, you get 100% loyalty score if you don't have listings anywhere else. So OpenSea and all the other marketplaces, that's basically what it's referring to. Using our new maximize loyalty button to remove your third-party listings and get your score to 100% in a single transaction. And I like that. This is a very, very smart way to get investors to flock away from the other marketplaces and only use this. And this is a genius marketing scheme in my personal opinion. Obviously, it's a win-win situation for both people. Now you may be saying how? Because the competitors are left behind because people are flocking onto Blur because they want to receive these tokens. Obviously, Blur is a native token for the marketplace, and a lot of people want their hands on this for free. So obviously, this is a very, very nice way to do things in my personal opinion. But now let's get right into the price and see what's happening and where could we be going in the immediate short term. As always, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. If we're looking at the price of Blur right now, you guys are looking at the hourly time frame and saying, Crypto ZX, what is this? You can't even tell anything. What's going on in this? That's why we're going to look at the hourly time frame. We have seen Blur do insane numbers. And now you may be saying, how? How are you talking about this? It got, if you picked up some Blur around this 58 cents just on February 14th, you saw this thing go all the way up 140% in a matter of 2 weeks. You've heard that right. Not even in 2 weeks, in a week and a half. And I do believe that this run is nowhere near done because this is one of the most anticipated launch. A lot of people want their hands on it. A lot of people are comparing with Aptos. Obviously Aptos, it's a blockchain project and this is a native token of marketplace, but these are VC backed, so a lot of interest is in these type of coins. And this bull cycle, I am projecting that Blur is going to be one of the top performers, that we're going to see this project in the top 100s. And obviously it is going to be affected once it's the competitor OpenSea lists that. Speaking about OpenSea, we did see Coinbase come out. I want to know what you guys think about this. They say 223.23, so tomorrow apparently they're about to make an announcement. Are we about to see a Coinbase a coin drop? Are we about to see a Coinbase marketplace, the NFT marketplace? We've been hearing about this for quite some time. Obviously it was there for test, but could we see that happen? Possibly. So that is going to be interesting, and see how Blur reacts to that. But as of now, it has been holding very, very strongly around this dollar mark. We did see it go down all the way to this 86 cents mark quite a few times, and you guys can see since its listing, it's not been in the markets for too long, so we need to keep that factor in mind. But now that is playing as a nice level of support. But as of now, we are currently sitting at $1.06 mark, but this is that major level of resistance for it in the immediate short term, which is at the $1.16 mark. We might see a little bit of a rejection here and there, but I do believe that this is a very, very important level that we need to be above, close above here, and it's totally fine with that, because that basically means that we are in an upwards trend for the Blur token right now. We are seeing something very interesting play out for it. It is creating higher highs and higher lows, so that is definitely a nice thing to point out, because obviously the higher low that we created was 89.62 cents, which was just yesterday, and previously it was at 82.5 cents, and obviously the higher highs are right in front of us as well. So this clearly means that we are in an upwards trajectory. Might not look like it on the hourly time frame, but that's what it means. And obviously it being trended everywhere, a lot of interest coming in, I do see this thing really starting to pop out. Obviously once we break out of this level of resistance, there is no resistances or support around here, and things can really start heating up very, very quickly. And remember, it's only at a $410 million market valuation. That's a mid cap. Look what happened to Aptos. Went from 500 million at the absolute bottom, went up to like $3 to $4 billion. You've heard that correct, and that's how fast money can flow in these type of coins. So I am projecting that Blur is going to see some massive gains happen for itself as we go into the end of Q1, and the year of 2023 has definitely been going absolutely insane. So that is very crazy to think about it. We're almost in March, but you guys can see the initial listing, we did see it go all the way up to the $8.35. I wouldn't really consider this, as I've mentioned in my previous video, an all-time high, but I do strongly believe that this is where the price could definitely be headed in the upcoming months to go. And like I said, look at Aptos. That has happened, and it can definitely happen with Blur token as well. Obviously when these drops happen, season 2 drop happens, we are going to see sell-offs happen, people taking profits, people want to cash out, but you guys know the drill. And that would currently put, at this market valuation, that would put Blur's market cap at $3.3 billion. So that is it for today's update on Blur. That's my price analysis. This is where I'm projecting it to be going. But again, it's only, time is going to tell. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. But let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price going. And I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.